Grocery. Food and other things you buy from a store. I went to buy groceries at the market. Mom made a list of groceries to buy. Commute. Traveling to work or school. I commute to school by bus. We commute by train in the morning. Chore. Small tasks or jobs you do at home, like cleaning, washing dishes, or cooking. She helps her mom with chores. He has many chores to do before dinner. Guilty. Feeling bad because you did something wrong. She said sorry because she felt guilty. He looked guilty after breaking the toy. Lush. Full of green plants, trees, and grass. The hotel has a lush garden. The park looks lush in spring. Pollution. Making air, water, or land dirty. Pollution is bad for our health. We should stop pollution to save the earth. Heartbroken. Extremely sad. He was heartbroken when his team lost. She was heartbroken when her cat died. Snatch. To take something quickly and suddenly. He snatched the bag and ran. He quickly snatched the last piece of cake. youthful. Looking or feeling young and full of energy. Eating healthy helps you stay youthful. She wears bright colors to look youthful. Scenic. Beautiful natural view. We enjoyed the scenic sunset. I love hiking in scenic areas.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!